Bone marrow mononuclear stem cells refer to a population of stem cells found in the bone marrow, which is the spongy tissue inside bones. These cells are known as mononuclear because they have a single nucleus, distinguishing them from multinucleated cells. Bone marrow is a rich source of various types of stem cells, including hematopoietic stem cells and mesenchymal stem cells. Both types of stem cells are present in the bone marrow mononuclear cell fraction. 1. Hematopoietic stem cells. These stem cells have the ability to differentiate into different types of blood cells, including red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. They play a crucial role in maintaining the body's blood supply and immune system. 2. Mesenchymal stem cells. These stem cells have the potential to differentiate into various cell types, such as bone cells, osteoblasts, cartilage cells, chondrocytes, and fat cells, adipocytes. MSCs have shown promise in regenerative medicine and tissue engineering due to their ability to aid in tissue repair and promote healing.